You could have avoided this by using the great program Wise Auto Shutdown. Now let's go through the options of what you can do. You can set a specific time to shut down or log off your computer by choosing the exact day of the year and the exact time of that day. You can set it for a few minutes or a few hours from the present time. I use this option the most as I watch or listen to YouTube videos or podcasts to fall asleep to each night. You can also have a task repeat every so often. You can set it to shut down on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, depending on how often you use your computer. If you are someone who insists on or needs to have your computer on constantly, I'd recommend having it shut down or restart at least once a week to keep Windows from having issues. Having Windows on for too many days continuously can possibly cause performance and even startup issues. The on idle option is a great power saving and security option, so you can shut down your computer, log off your Windows account, lock the computer, or put the computer to sleep after a certain amount of inactivity. The Close Programs option is an interesting feature, as you can see that once you click on it, your options change to only specified time or from now, while you can select which program or programs you want to close. Click on where it says please select your programs, and you can see that the list of programs to close includes a lot of built-in Windows programs and processes. I'd leave those alone and just stick to the programs that you have installed and use, like Google Chrome if you use this feature. You have the option to set a reminder for a certain amount of time before the task starts, meaning that it will give you a warning that in 5 minutes your computer is going to shut down, for example. By default, the reminder is set to 5 minutes, but you can change the amount of time or turn off the reminder completely. You can also set a simple password, so only you can stop the specified task from running. A good use case for this would be if your kids are playing video games on the computer and you don't want them playing for more than the time you allotted for them. For example, you have it set to log out in an hour so they can't play past that time limit. They'll get that 5-minute reminder before the computer logs out, so they know it's going to end soon. Hopefully they don't know the login password to the computer to start playing again. Click on the green Start Task button once you've selected the options you want. A window pops up letting you know it will run in the background in the taskbar. You have the option for the program not to prompt you with this message again. Once you click on the OK button, the process will run in the background on your computer. To see it running, open the taskbar at the bottom right and hover your mouse pointer over the program icon. You can see the countdown has begun. Click on the icon and the program pops back up. You can click on the Cancel Task button if you change your mind. You must put in the password if one was created to cancel this task. Lastly, you can click on the 3 lines on the top right of the program to open up some more settings for how the program behaves. The only 2 I feel might be of interest is the language option, dozens of languages to choose from if need be, and changing it to dark mode. Now that you know how to use the program, let's go download it. Downloading and installing Wise Auto Shutdown is quite simple. Open your browser and type in Wise Auto Shutdown download. It should be the first search result option from Wise Cleaner. I'll leave a link in the description. Once you click on the green free download button, it'll take you to another page, and the website shows you the 3 basic steps to follow to download and install. Click on the downloaded file and install. Now you're ready to use Wise Auto Shutdown. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and leave me a comment down below. You can always subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.